Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Trends for seasonal USA content planning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Google Trends for seasonal USA content planning, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Google Trends, trends.google.com. Once the page loads, familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, enter a keyword or topic relevant to your content. Press enter to see the trends associated with your keyword. On the results page, adjust the geographic focus to the United States. To do this, click on the Worldwide drop-down menu and select United States. Next, set the time frame to focus on seasonal trends. You can choose options such as past 12 months or select a custom range. To see how interest fluctuates over specific periods, scroll down to the Interest Over Time graph. This graph will show you peaks and dips in interest for your keyword. Take note of any significant spikes in the graph. These spikes often indicate seasonal interest in that topic. To gain deeper insights, scroll further down to the Related Topics and Related Queries sections. These sections can provide additional keywords and ideas for your content. If you want to compare different keywords, click on the plus compare button near the top. Enter another keyword in the box that appears. This will allow you to see how multiple topics or keywords stack up against each other. Analyze the data in the comparison chart for trends and insights. Once you have gathered sufficient information, jot down your findings. Use these insights to determine the best times to publish your seasonal content. Be sure to revisit Google Trends periodically for updated data. By doing this, you can stay on top of shifting interests and adapt your planning accordingly. Now you are equipped to effectively use Google Trends for your seasonal content strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.